Well done, well done. A lot of space. Come on.
Kambuni ya Mediamax nirerahira kuona andiki ayo a mohoro matugitwo na ngerenwa cia ikiro itiganite maburaini maria marahariirio ni kanjo ya andiki ya mohoro MCK ikerekaini iria 12 hwai wa ira.
The journalist of today in Africa has a mandate bigger than that pen and paper journalism that we traditionally knew.
From the Mediamax Network Limited, we do have the story title as Preservation of Indigenous Seeds. REYHAB WAITARI is our winner from the TV category. Makofi tafadhali.
Hede ya mabura maya muhariria wa tabarira ya kilimo na biashara REYHAB WAITARI na muhuri bisha John WANGUGI a ceceni ya TV ya K24 ni maratugirwo ta NJORUA cia utangathi wa MAUNDU-INI MEGII URIMI na UCENJIA wa RIERA.
The role of professional journalists as gatekeepers of truth has never been more vital. It is incumbent upon all of us as consumers of news and information to support and uphold the principles of ethical journalism.
Na mwandiki wa mohoro ceceni ya radio ya Milele FM Vincent agitugwo na ngerenwa ya mitambo ya kiriu na uthunduri egie ripoti ya ingwe digitali. Hamwe na aria maramuritwo kuhuranira ngerenwa itiganite cia wandiki wa mohoro ikiro-ini itiganite thiini wa ikerekania muthia ni mwandiki wa mohoro ceceni ya Kameme TV Gitawa Wanjiko uria uratugirwo ari wa keri hari aria maramuritwo kuhuranira ngerenwa ya gikiro kia uthunduri na mitambo ya kiriu. Mwandiki wa mohoro wa ceceni ya TV ya K24 Ben Kirira akiamurwo gicunjĩ-inĩ kia ugima wa mwiri guku nake muhuri wa bisha wa K24 Boniface Musangi akiamurwo gikiro-ini kia mumemerekia wa mohoro ma hinahi.
Bernard Gitau Sapphire had done his 4 stories in vernacular and it never won anything and said nyinyi mnachukia Kikikuyu. And we said we have nothing personal against. But now he has improved and he's a finalist this year with several stories in Kikuyu actually.
Orerorera Kameme TV.
Kambuni ya Mediamax ni mucie kuri ceceni ya Kameme TV, K24 TV, gatheti ya People Daily, Kameme FM, Meru FM, Milele FM, Mayan FM, Emo FM, Msenangu FM na Mediamax Digital.
Well done.
Hado-ini ha Kameme TV jitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.